Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the TEXTJOIN and the TEXTSPLIT functions. So here we have our first exercise. We need to split these values here into the white first move, black response, white mate in second move. And the plus sign here means it's the white first move. And this second word here is the black response, and the last one here is the white mate in second move. So we need to split this into each column here, and we can use the TEXTSPLIT function for this. So we're gonna write TEXTSPLIT here, and if I have a couple of arguments, we're gonna use text here, and our column delimiter is space. See, there's a space between, but be very careful because sometimes there can be a space before here or a space after. If there is, I would suggest you use the trim function on it before. So let's enter our delimiter, which is a space. And row delimiter, you don't have to enter anything here. It's an optional argument. And here, if you want to ignore the empty cells or include them, let's try include them. Case is sensitive, and no padding here. Let's just go with this. And let's copy paste this down. Control Shift here. And don't copy paste this formula here because it will spill. So you only need the C column here. Paste it in. Awesome. Now, make sure to also paste this as values in case you want to use this data here. So that's how you use the TEXTSPLIT function. So let's move on to the TEXTJOIN later. And I also forgot to mention that with the TEXTSPLIT function, you can also use something called text to columns here. And that's another way. So let's try that. And don't forget to also highlight your entire cell here. Delimited with a space. And let's put this destination here. And voila. Okay, so let's go to the TEXTJOIN function here. Now, in this TEXTJOIN function here, we want to put these values into one cell only. So we have players, city, and the year. And we want our data to look something like this. We want it to be separated by a comma. So we want a comma here, space, comma here, space. So I'll show you how it looks. Let's just TEXTJOIN here. And we want the delimiter with a comma, and then a space to make it look more clean. And let's ignore, no, we include the empty cells, sure, why not? And then we enter each text here, so we enter the text one here, text one is city, and the third text is the year. Let's close that. And here we get a nice clean format here. The players, the city, and the year. Just copy paste this down. And the trick you can use, since we're not using a table here, is what you can do is just Control Shift down here. Let's see, here it is. There we go. So this is how we can use the TEXTJOIN, TEXTSPLIT function in Excel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.